Why do we get sunburns, and how does your body respond? The answer reveals a surprising battle happening right under your skin every time you soak up the sun. Sunburn happens when ultraviolet or UV rays from the sun penetrate your skin and damage the DNA inside your cells. This damage triggers an inflammatory response, causing redness, pain, and swelling. The UVB rays are the main culprits, as they directly harm the outer skin layers. The redness you see is actually your skin's way of signaling injury and increasing blood flow to the area. Once your skin cells are damaged, your immune system kicks in. White blood cells rush to the affected area to start repairing the DNA and removing dead cells. This immune response causes inflammation, which leads to swelling and that painful burning sensation. Your skin also starts producing extra pigment, called melanin, to protect against future UV damage. This is what causes tanning after sun exposure. Every sunburn adds to cumulative damage in your skin, increasing the risk of skin cancer over time. The damaged DNA can lead to mutations that cause cells to grow uncontrollably. Plus, sunburn accelerates skin aging, causing wrinkles and loss of elasticity. This makes sun protection not just about comfort, but essential for your long-term health. Now you know sunburn is your skin's warning system and your body's complex defense at work. Protecting your skin means helping your body avoid this stressful battle. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and keep your curiosity glowing bright.